Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Intuit account. It's a very quick and simple step. Without any further delay, let's dive right in. So yeah, you know what to do. You gotta open up your preferred web browser. I'm using Google Chrome right here, so let's tap into that. And at the very top you can see a search bar. In that, let's type in Intuit or login. Since we're going to log in, let's type that and hit enter. And okay, one thing you gotta keep in your mind is that make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here that is sign in. Since we're going to sign in, log in, it's the same thing. Let's tap into that, and you gotta wait for a while. And yeah, we are here. You're greeted with this sign-in page. So there are two options actually. You can either sign in from your email or user ID, or you can sign in via your phone. That means you have to type in your phone number. So we're not going to do that. We're simply going to sign in through our email. Let's do that. And that's it. It's a very simple, it's a very quick process, I told you. So all you gotta do is tap in that blue button that is sign in, and you'll be signing to your Intuit account. So yeah, that's it. Signing into Intuit account is as simple and quick as that. So yeah, if you have any queries, you can comment in the comment section down below. We'll be more than happy to help you with that. And subscribe to our channel, Take B6. And you can also like and share. You know the drill, you can do that stuff. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.